Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to remove a green screen using Capcut. If we have ever wanted to replace a green background with a video, image, or creative scene, this tutorial is just what we need. Green screen effects are used a lot in content creation, gaming videos, tutorials, and social media posts. Capcut makes this process easy, even for beginners. Whether we are editing on a PC or just starting with video editing, we will explain everything clearly so everyone can follow along easily. The goal of this tutorial is to help everyone understand how to remove a green screen background in Capcut using the built-in tools. Many beginners find green screen effects confusing because they are not sure which feature to use or how to use it. This guide will make the process simple and stress-free. By watching this tutorial, we learn how green screen removal works, how to use it in our own videos, and how it lets us put ourselves or any subject onto a new background. This skill is great for making more professional videos, telling better stories, and making our content stand out on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Now, let's go through the steps to remove the green screen from our video. First, open Capcut. Once we are in Capcut, we click Create a Project. After clicking Create Project, we will be taken to the project creation page. Here, we start by importing our media. Let's use this video as an example. Once it is imported, drag it down to the layer. To remove the green screen, click the video. Then, go to the upper right corner of the video and remove the background by clicking Remove BG or Remove Background. Next, go to Chroma key. Be sure to check this. As we can see, there is the color pick. Click Color Pick, then select the green area we want to remove. We can adjust the intensity as needed. Once we play the video, the green background will be gone. Capcut removes it easily. Now, we all understand how to remove a green screen in Capcut and how useful this feature is for our video edits. With some practice, we can create smooth backgrounds and make our videos look even better.